People are not going to accept what you are doing today. And we are there till we are dying. Hello.
You are talking here.
Hello. You must listen this. You must go to the villages here in the Panchayat and do the plan. Otherwise, we are not going to accept this. It's a good time I am ready to do.
टाइमिंग तुम्हें एक दिल्ली पड़े टाइमिंग कितना है 5:30 पहले दिल्ली है व्हाट वाज द टाइमिंग गिवन so now I think now all the speakers are over according to your timetable then why are you continuing
now since all the speakers have already over nobody is coming and there is unanimous decision from the part of all the registered speaker that they have only one point to be conveyed that the hearing should be taken at the village level. Yes. Besides that, they don't know. So accordingly, we will minute this and we will read the minutes and we will conclude. We will also minute it that honorable MLAs also participated and they also conveyed the same feelings. Accordingly, minutes are prepared and we will read out the minutes of this meeting.
I think that is fair enough. If you put the actual position on the record, because ultimately you are also part of the system in Goa. So anything done, equal responsibility comes to you also.
Right from 10:30 to now, whatever feelings, whatever suggestions, whatever things expressed, we will minute it the same way which the people have expressed, and also the feelings which are conveyed by the honorable MLAs, we will minute it, and accordingly we conclude this.
One more thing
by reading the minutes.
One more thing you have to put on record. That you were not able to give entry to hundreds of people inside. Thousands of people. See, notice was given for a public hearing by publishing in a newspaper. Based on that, thousands of people who have interest at heart of the state of Goa, they have gathered here. Now you have closed down, like we were stopped from entering in the deputy collector's office when we went to give a memorandum. 5 MLAs had gone to give a memorandum at Vasco to the deputy collector. After we met collector in the morning, but he said he was busy holding hearing and locked the gate. Made us wait for. I am there in politics for 27 years. I have never seen such type of disrespect to the leader of opposition and the members of the legislative assembly. I asked that deputy collector whether he has fallen from heaven or he has come from the service. If he has come from service, he should know the business rules, how to respect the elected representatives. And that is why what I am saying, that you also put on a record that thousands of people were outside the Ravindra Bhavan trying to come inside, but they were stopped from coming inside. And only so many people entered inside and deposed before us. I think this you should also put on record so that sentiments of the people are carried to them. This is our request.
One more point to add is some of the stakeholders are not able to represent today. And from where that 150 came, when there is so much of SOP for carnival, for other issues, for other functions, why only here 150? So you put those valid objections. How long will you take to close this now meeting with the minutes? You are reading the minutes. Yeah. How long will it take?
15 minutes, sir, to draw the minutes.
We'll wait.
To read it in
we'll wait.
and explain to the people, and accordingly we will conclude.
Wait.